Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching AROMA dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another interesting dish, which is dry fish sambal. And these are the ingredients. Viewers also can check out the ingredients in the description below. This is our homemade chili paste, which is made together with some garlic and also dry chilies grinded together. Firstly, we need to clean our dry fish and also marinate with turmeric paste. This recipe is suitable for any kind of dry fish in the supermarket that we can get. Keep the marinated dry fish aside, and these are the ingredients that we need to start our cooking for today. Firstly, we need to heat up the pan with some cooking oil and add on the dry fish one by one to fry it. We need to fry the dry fish on both sides. We need to keep the fried dry fish aside, and also we can use the remaining oil for our next step, which is to prepare the sambal. Firstly, add one chopped onion, stir it well. After the onion turn golden, we need to add some washed curry leaves together with some slices of garlic and ginger. And also mix it with some green chilies. Mix it all together well. We also need to add on one chopped tomato to our mixture. Stir it all well together. We need to mix the mixture until the raw smell of the tomato is gone, and add 2 tablespoons of homemade chili paste. That's more than 2 tablespoons. Stir it all together. Let it boil with some water. While the mixture is boiling, add some sugar to it to make the texture of the sambal even more nice. And add some curry powder. Mix it all together evenly. Lastly, we need to put the fried dry fish that we kept aside. it all together. Finally, this is the outcome of our dish today.